Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
ईश्वर आपको सुखी रखे मेरे बच्चों। परम सत्ता की कृपा आप पर बनी। लेसन को शुरू करने से पहले कल से आपका ओरल, परसों से आपका ओरल टेस्ट शुरू होगा। अभी भी तकरीबन 40% स्टूडेंट्स ने न तो मैसेज भेजा है कि आई एम रेडी फॉर द ओरल टेस्ट, कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं। ऐसे बच्चों को वार्न कर दूं कि यू शैल गेट पनिश्ड, ऑब्वियसली नॉट बाय मी, बाय टाइम यू शैल गेट पनिश्ड। ओरल टेस्ट में एक बात का ध्यान रखना, बोर्ड ने 30% आपका सिलेबस डिडक्ट कर दिया है, रिड्यूस कर दिया है। उस 30% में अनफॉर्चुनेटली सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर में से द मिडनाइट विजिटर और एक क्वेश्चन ऑफ ट्रस्ट भी एक्सक्लूड हो गया है। इट इज शॉकिंग। तब क्या करोगे? मेंटल बैंकरप्सी, मानसिक दिवालियापन आज की तारीख में जीवन के हर एक क्षेत्र में। सहज विवेक यह था कि लास्ट से लेसन को एक्सक्लूड किया जाना चाहिए था। ओरल की जो तैयारी करोगे, अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और 3 में द मिडनाइट विजिटर और एक क्वेश्चन ऑफ ट्रस्ट में से जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उसको एकदम छोड़ देना। टोटल 12 क्वेश्चंस थे क्वेश्चन आंसर के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में 8 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में 4, उसमें से एक्सक्लूड करके तब तैयारी करना है। क्वेश्चन ऑफ ट्रस्ट छोड़ देना। अब देखो, 2 स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग में से हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट हम लोग कर चुके हैं। अब नया लेसन शुरू करते हैं, द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन। द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन की कहानी को पहले इंग्लिश में समझें। द narrator of this prose piece is a pilot, या the story the black aeroplane is being narrated by a pilot। ये कहानी आपको एक पायलट महोदय हैं वे सुना रहे हैं। So he was flying over France. He was flying over France back to England. वे इंग्लैंड जा रहे थे और उस समय, जिस समय की यह घटना है, फ्रांस के ऊपर से उड़ान भर रहे थे। मैंने आपसे कहा कि द नैरेटर ऑफ दिस प्रोज पीस, द नैरेटर ऑफ दिस स्टोरी, द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन इज अ पायलट। इसी को मैंने पैसिव में आपको कहा, इसी तथ्य को, इस पंक्ति को नहीं, इस तथ्य को कहा कि द स्टोरी द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन इज बीइंग नैरेटेड किया जा रहा है, इज बीइंग नैरेटेड बाय अ पायलट। ही वाज फ्लाइंग ओवर फ्रांस बैक टू इंग्लैंड एंड ही वाज ड्रीमिंग ऑफ हिज हॉलिडे एंड the typical big English breakfast he would have with his family. He was dreaming of these things, the pleasure he would have during the holidays, the great English breakfast he would have, the typical English breakfast he would have with his family. So there are 2 phases during his flight. There are 2 phases during his trip. The first part of his journey was very pleasing one. It was a very easy flight. It was a pleasing flight. Why? The moon was coming up. While he was flying his old Dakota, he was flying an old Dakota. That is the name of the plane. So while he was on his way to England over France, the moon was coming up in the east behind him. The night sky was full of stars. There was not a single cloud in the sky. Means it was a clear night sky. And he was flying over a sleeping countryside. He was enjoying his trip. He was enjoying his journey. Now, इतनी बात को समझ गए. अब देखो, तो during the course of his journey, he saw lights in front of him, and he concluded that he was flying over a big town. He decided to contact the Paris control. He contacted the Paris control and he got necessary instructions and acted accordingly. He had fuel only in the second and last tank of his old Dakota. And it was the time around 1:30. So what happened? Suddenly he saw huge mountains of black clouds in front of him. And his old Dakota didn't have enough fuel. So he found himself in a fix. He found himself surrounded by troubles. He was not in a position either to go up and over those clouds or around those clouds. So for a while he thought that he would go back to Paris. But he was so overwhelmed. आपने पढ़ा है इस वर्ड को. नेल्सन मंडेला was overwhelmed with a sense of history. इतना भाव से भरा हुआ, भाव विह्वल, गदगद भाव दशा में. He was so overwhelmed and tempted with the idea of having typical English breakfast with his family that he decided that he would go straight into the stormy clouds. His temptations all over regions. अभी तक की कहानी समझे? यह कहानी, this story is being narrated by a pilot. He was flying his old Dakota. He was flying over France back to England. It was a very pleasing journey. The moon was coming up in the east behind him. The night sky was full of stars. He was flying over a sleeping countryside. He was enjoying his journey. So when he saw lights in front of him during the course of his flight, he thought to contact the Paris control. He contacted the control and got the necessary instructions and started flying his old Dakota accordingly. The first point. The second point is He was flying and suddenly he saw what? Huge mountains of black, stormy clouds in front of him. And he didn't have enough fuel. And he was in a fix. He was not either in a position to go up and over those clouds, nor to go around them. So he was so tempted, he was so overwhelmed with the idea of having the typical English breakfast with his family. He decided to go straight into the mountains of black clouds. And he did so. Now the third point. What happened after that? He could see nothing. It was pitch dark, ekdam andhera. It was pitch dark around him. It was pitch dark around him. His old Dakota was jumping and twisting. And to his horror, उसके भय की सीमा नहीं रही भाई. To his horror, what made him panicked? एकदम रीढ़ में मृत्यु के भय से जब ठंडी लहर दौड़ जाए, ऐसा मृत्यु का भय. He felt panicked. To his horror, he was panicked to see what? That none of his instruments was working. That none of his instruments were working. ग्रामर का एक पॉइंट है, देख लो. None of his instruments was working. None of his instruments were working. ठीक है? None of his instruments was working. ये जो कन्वेंशनल ट्रेडिशनल इंग्लिश ग्रामर है उसके हिसाब से ठीक है. और none of his instruments were working, यह तुमको इडियमेटिक इंग्लिश हो गया. यह भी ठीक है, दोनों इक्वली एक्सेप्टेबल है. The needle of the compass was moving round and round and round. The radio was not working. Just think of the mental state of that pilot. तुम ही सोचो, तुम अगर पायलट हो, ऊपर हो आसमान में, चारों ओर ह्यूज स्टॉर्मी क्लाउड्स हो, तुम्हारे कंपास ने काम करना बंद कर दिया है, तुम्हारे रेडियो ने काम करना बंद कर दिया है, तुम अपने सेकेंड टैंक, लास्ट टैंक के फ्यूल से अपने प्लेन को उड़ा रहे हो. क्या होगा मेंटल स्टेट? बट टू हिज सरप्राइज, टू हिज ग्रेट रिलीफ, he saw another aeroplane flying very close to his aeroplane. He felt relieved. The pilot of the second aeroplane waved his hands and beckoned to him, signaled to him, इशारा किया to follow. And the pilot of the old Dakota started following him like an obedient child. And what happened after that, we'll discuss tomorrow. अकल्पनीय यातना है, अकल्पनीय गर्मी है. हम 3 लोग अभी इस कमरे में हैं, वो सब लोग यातना के चरम पर हैं. यहां पे कहानी को रोक दिया हूं. The pilot of the old Dakota started following the strange black aeroplane like an obedient child. उसके बाद जो हुआ कल चर्चा करेंगे. और थोड़ा पीड़ा का प्रतिदान दो, गफलत में नहीं रहना. जो अच्छा करेंगे और अच्छा करेंगे, बहुत बच्चे हैं इस बार, आश्वस्त हो, वो उनकी ईमानदारी. और जो तुम अच्छा नहीं करोगे, वह तुम अपनी पारिवारिक संस्कृति को प्रक्षेपित कर रहे हो. बी रेडी फॉर द second internal assessment test. Have a nice day.